Stop wasting hours just rereading your textbook. Instead, you can try these effective study tips. So, number one is just active recall. It is better than just rereading the paragraphs. So, it works better than that. What you can do, you can just read a paragraph and that close turn the page, and then you have to like remember without looking at the page. So what I just read or whatever I understand, so this is going to help you a lot, also saves a lot of time. And by this technique you will be able to learn easily and for a large amount of time. So number two technique, that is blurting technique. So you can, what you have to do, just read or learn anything whatever you have to do, and after completing that, after reading the paragraph, reading the topic, you have to take a blank page and rewrite without looking uh, whatever you have learned, and this will make you clear whatever you are good at and what are the topics that you are missing. And again, this will save you a lot of time, that learning again and again the same thing which you know already know, and not learning the thing and not emphasizing your focus on a particular topic or point which you are missing. So this is very effective technique, you can try this one. And so number third is spaced repetition. So you have to revise the topic which you have studied earlier again and again in a spaced manner. Like if you read this topic like from human health and disease immunity, so first revision that you have to do, just within 1 hour you study that topic, and after that you can revise it at the in the night before sleeping, and the next revision you can do next morning or after 3 days and after a week and after 15 days. So this will help you a lot to sift that concept or the data in your permanent memory. And number four, change your place. If you are change your place while studying, if you are studying for really a longer hour of time in the same place, your mind feels stuck and stop working. So this is a psychology. So what you can do to really restart your mind and concentrate on study again, you have to change the place. So basically you can try 2 to 3 places in your home where you can study whenever you feel bored at a place and stop and not really feel like studying, so you can shift from that place to another place. So number four, listening music. Again, this is not very recommended study tip because it does not work out for a lot of people, so, and including me. But whenever I have to just make notes, I listen to the music. But you can try that as well, but don't try to listen to music during learning heavy concept of mathematics, physics or chemistry. So the next technique is just speaking aloud the topic which you are studying. So this will help you, this activate more senses of yours and making it easier to learn it, because whenever we learn something new, the more senses will be active, the more easier will it get for us to learn that topic. So I hope you like this video. For more such smart study tip, follow this channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.